Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create this background in DaVinci Resolve Fusion page. But I want you to remember to like and subscribe, and let's start. So the first thing is to add a fusion composition. Go here, right click and create new fusion composition. Name it like you want, then you can drag it into the timeline and set it here. Right click and go to Open in Fusion page. Here you will probably see a different layout from mine, and to fix it, go up here, Workspace, and then you have to go to Layout Presets, Fusion Presets, and set it to Mid-Flow Vertical. So first step is to add a background node right here and connect it to the media out. And like you can see, we have a background right here. Then we can change the color to something like, I don't know, this, it doesn't matter, dark gray. And then we have to add a merge node. So click right here to the background and add a merge node like this. And here on the top we will add another background like this. And you can connect it to the merge into the green input. Here you can change the color to something like a white. Then we can click the background and go to the image, and here we will disable auto resolution. We will set the width and the height to 1000, so it will look like a square. Then we can add a rectangle right here. You can click the background and up here you can select the rectangle. Then we will disable the solid option and we will increase the board width to something like 0.005, something like this. Then we will have to set our width and height to something like 0.98, and same goes for the height, so 0.998. Okay, then we can add just a little of the board radius, just a little, not too much, and we will have a square like this. Then go to the merge node and change the edges to Wrap, and we can decrease the size. And like you can see, we are creating our background. Okay, something like this. By decreasing the size, like you can see, we just duplicated our square. The last step is click the merge and then add an ellipse. Like you can see, it's a little bit big, so we can link the width to the height, and we can decrease the height, so we will decrease the width as well, and then just increase the soft edge until you're happy. Okay, so like you can see, we have our background. I'm gonna adjust the nodes just to be more organized. Now let's do a quick rename of the nodes. So go here, F2, and call it BG. This will be our mask. This will be our shape, and the background will be a color, like that. We can select them, and by right-clicking, we can go to the settings and save as. Then on your system, go where you want to save it. For example, I'm gonna save it to the macros folder, so Fusion, then macros and generators, and I will call it something like v2bg, and let's save. So by deleting it, I'm gonna hit Shift Space and search for v2 background, and like you can see, it just imported all the nodes. By connecting the nodes to the media out, we can see the background. So that's all for today's tutorial. I remember you to like and subscribe. I have also my socials in the description and the Discord as well, and see you in the next video.